voices gather in the street, heavy steps and steady beat. Every heart a rising flame, calling out a shared refrain. People standing side by side, no more keeping pain inside. Every shout becomes a sign of the truth they hold in mind. A rising crowd that will be heard, every voice a living word. They gather for the hope they seek, for justice strong, for rights to speak. The power grows in every hand, together they create a stand. A restless tide that shakes the ground.